23 of Vlogmas. Good morning and welcome to day 23 of Vlogmas. I left my phone in the car last night, so my camera in the car last night, so phone it is. I'm getting ready. I'm going home. Oh, I'm going out. My day 21, 22 didn't upload last night. I don't know why. Well, couldn't export it, so to upload it. So who knows if yesterday's gonna go up. They will go up at some point. Just don't know when. But let's get some makeup on. Get ready. I've been home. I've done my hair again. I had some food and then we're back out. We're going to the cinema. It is absolutely freezing today. Also, Merry Christmas Eve! Woo! Ah. Yeah, we've arrived. Oh, in Carlisle. We've got to go to the shops for some snacks. Oh god, it's stuck. Hang on. Then I might go to M&S for some snacks. It's not just any snacks. It's the M&S snacks. Oh yeah, that, do you know, the marketing for it's not food, it's M&S food. That came out in 2004. That's how good that marketing is.
Oh my god.
It's still going strong.
Have you got my bag?
Just finished Moana 2. Great film. 10 out of 10. I did cry most of the way, but you know. Yeah. Oh god, it's raining. Oh god, my phone's going off because everything's on do not disturb. But let's go. Hannah needs to go to shops and it's head home time. We're shopping. I don't need it, but oh cute, the Christmas one. You only use it at certain times of the year. Oh, Hannah's stressing. Oh, I'm tired. My eyes are too tired up to shut. So I did this vlog from Tokyo. Finally uploading day 21, even though technically it should be 22 today. But actually that might work out well because I'm at work tomorrow. On Christmas Eve. Hopefully I can get off a little bit earlier. I am hoping. So technically it'll work out that I finish on Christmas Eve. If I was going, I don't upload technically two tomorrow. No, let's do it night time. Be nice. Yeah, it is. So just be there a few hours. Trying not to fall asleep. Oh my god! Oh my god! I've just uploaded it and it's oh my god. I am so. I am amazed. Some people will be like nothing. They'll have it in the first millisecond. Me? 2 views? Oh, somebody disliked. Somebody's disliked it. Do I have haters? Who knows? But I should probably go. I should probably go and get some tea on. Because technically we've only uploaded one meal today. Not good. good. I was going to make tea, but instead Daddy's but me and Mum are going to the butcher's to pick up the meat pork, the turkey. Woo-hoo. Is the end of the 23rd of December, and for me the end of Vlogmas, as I have work tomorrow, so, and I didn't have any more. I didn't think it'd be right to put another day as Christmas Eve for Vlogmas 2024, so I hope you've enjoyed it. Highlights for me were definitely London, Manchester, just doing all the Christmassy bits, a little point the trains, not getting a train for a while, not for me, but yeah, hope you enjoyed. If you do, please like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you in 2025. Bye. Ow.